Is it even possible to change our physical appearances or to increase our height? Well, some would say absolutely not. And some skeptical minds would even give you reasons that no, it is not possible after a particular age, you cannot grow. And to be honest, even I believed the same till a few years back. But here's a secret: nothing is impossible for your subconscious mind. The law of attraction can actually make happen. It can bring into the reality anything that you desire. Hey, by the way, if you have some law of attraction success stories, definitely share it with me to my email address ishanigupta@gmail.com, and we will feature you and your story in our next video. You know what? A lot of times we fail to manifest our desires, and in this case, our physical appearance or our height, because we don't really believe that it is possible. We are unable to convince our minds, ourselves, that it is possible to manifest our desires. We try to look for proofs, evidences, and logic to believe that yes, we can increase our heights, we can change our physical appearances, or even manifest some other bigger desire. So, let me give you a scientific proof that yes, it is possible to increase your height and alter your genes with your thoughts. Believe it or not, but our thoughts, our emotions, and our environment has the ability to alter our genes. And I'm not saying that, but a world renowned American biologist, Dr. Bruce Lipton, has done his own research and has illustrated the same in his book called Biology of Belief. But there was a short video on this particular concept which you can watch. I have provided the link in the description box. He says that the environment, our thoughts, and our emotions continue to impact the genes, the expression of the genes. That means you can change the expression of genes to change the body structure, the physical appearance, or growth of your height. If you are still not convinced, I have another very strong experiment, a very famous experiment that I want to share with you. It is about the famous rice experiment done by Dr. Masaru Emoto. What he did was he placed cooked rice in two separate containers. Same rice, but on one container, he attached a label titled "Thank you," while on the other container, he stuck the label "You fool." The school children were asked to read these labels aloud for 30 days. And guess what happened? After 30 days, the rice in the container with positive thoughts, with the energy of gratitude, thank you, had no change at all. It was as it is. Whereas the cooked rice in the container labeled as "You fool" was completely rotten. It was covered with molds. If you want, you too can try out this experiment, because a lot of people have tried this experiment out and have received similar results. That is the power of words. That is the power of thoughts. It is energy. Thank you has positive energy, whereas painful, hurtful, abusive words have negative energy. And you transfer that energy to anything and anyone, and it has the power to alter the molecules of that particular thing. So similarly, our body is made up of cells, molecules. We have 60% approximately of water in our bodies. So the purpose of sharing this experiment with you is to help you understand that yes, it is possible for you to alter your genes, to change your height, to grow your height, to change your physical appearance at any point of time. So now I'll move to the next step. Now, hopefully you are convinced that it is possible to grow your height. So now what you have to do is set a target. How much do you want to grow your height? Half an inch, 1 inch, 2 inches, whatever it is. But make that target easy to believe. If it is something very hard to believe, say for example, you want to grow 1 foot in one night, of course, that is not going to happen. Your subconscious mind will not believe that. Do something that your mind will believe that it is possible. That is why the first half of my video was to help you understand that it is possible to grow your height no matter what. So now set a target, a make-believe target. Then the next step is to ask yourself a couple of questions. And as you are answering these questions, be very, very honest with you. And I would recommend you write down the answers to the questions very honestly and with all the feelings. Whatever you are feeling while writing the answers, you should also write them down. Okay? So the first question is, why do you want to be taller? What is the purpose? What do you want? It can be anything, that you want to feel more confident, you just want to look good, or whatever comes to your mind. Don't judge your answers, just write them down honestly on a piece of paper. The second question is, how will you feel once you achieve that target, achieve that height? Write down all your feelings, whatever comes to your mind, very honestly on a piece of paper. Feel all the emotions. Okay? Once this is done, your next step is to believe and trust the universe that yes, it is done. Your job is done, and universe has heard your request and it has already started working on it. Your wish has been granted, so you need not worry about that at all. Believe that you already have achieved that target, okay? Act as if you already are that particular height. For that, what you should be doing is thank the universe. Show your gratitude to the universe. Thank you, universe. Now I am 2 inches taller. Thank you so much, universe. I feel so much confident with my new gained height. Whatever comes to your mind, show your gratitude, saying those words with all your emotions. That is very important. And remember, don't obsess with it. You already have achieved that height. Just keep that in mind. If you obsess, if you feel that, oh, I'm not growing taller, it is not working, and you're checking every now and then, every other day, if you grew taller or not, that is when and everything is going to be spoiled. So don't do that. Believe that you already are that height. And here's an additional step. Before going to sleep, you can use this visualization technique where you are going to visualize that you already have achieved that height and the positive impacts of your increased height, how everyone is noticing you. They are surprised, some are shocked. Oh my God, how did this happen? You are so much taller. How did it happen so quick? So visualize all these good things because you already have achieved that height and people are noticing you. You are feeling more confident. They can see that confidence in you. So in short, be what you desire, because you don't get what you want, but you get what you are. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting stuff on law of attraction. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.